Hi everyone, today we will present the result of our group work on the explanation chapter. Listen to the end.
First, I will introduce my group. Hi, my name is Adinda Aulia Anjani.
Hi, I'm Imam Pramudia Kusuma.
Hello, I am Vidya Brilian.
And I am Marcel Pramono.
In this presentation, our group brought an example of an explanatory text, namely tsunami. The following is an explanatory text with the title tsunami, which will read.
In Indonesia, we are very familiar with the word tsunami. This natural disaster has ever killed thousands of lives in Banda Aceh a few years ago. Indonesia marnit the word marnit. Then how the tsunami happens? Here is a brief explanation of the process of how the Asian tsunami happens.
Next, paragraph 2. Tsunami can occur if there is phenomenon which causes the displacement of large amount of water in the oceans, such as volcanic eruption, earthquakes, landslide, and meteors that fall to Earth. However, 19% of tsunami is the result of underwater earthquakes.
Vertical movement in the earth caused in the bottom of the ocean causes a sudden up or down movement of sea floor, which then causes the water plants disorders above it. This disturbance causes the currents of the flow of the massive sea water energy that once it reaches the shore, it becomes huge waves resulting tsunami.
It can be seen from the screen. The definition is this text tells about the process of forming a natural phenomenon in the form of a tsunami, and from this text it also explanation why and how a natural phenomenon in the form of a tsunami occurs.
The purpose is to inform how the tsunami event occurred.
After definition and purpose, it's time for general structure. The general structure is divided into two, namely general statement and sequence explanation. For general statement, in our explanatory text example, which is in the paragraph 1 of the text sentence, in Indonesia, we are very familiar with the word tsunami. This natural disaster has ever killed thousands of lives in Banda Aceh a few years ago.
And for sequential explanation, it can be found in paragraphs 2 and 3. In both sentences, tsunamis can occur causes the displacement of large amounts of water in the ocean, such as volcanic eruption, earthquakes, landslides, and meteors that fall to Earth. However, 90% of tsunamis is the result of underwater earthquakes.
And the third paragraph is in the sentence vertical movement in the Earth's crust in the bottom of the ocean causes a sudden up or down movement of sea floor, which then causes the water balance disorders above it. This disturbance causes the occurrence of the flow of the massive seawater energy, that once it reaches the shore, it becomes high waves resulting tsunami.
Then the longest features are divided into three features that we can find in the text. The first is using simple present tense. This is in paragraph 1. We are very familiar with the word tsunami. In paragraph 2, tsunami can occur if there is phenomenon which causes the displacement of large amount. In paragraph 2 again, 19% of tsunami is the result of underwater earthquakes.
The second feature is action verb. This is found in paragraph 1. From paragraph 1, this natural disaster has even killed thousands of lives in Banda Aceh a few years ago. From paragraph 2, and meteor that fell to earth.
The third features is using abstract noun. From paragraph 1, Indonesia mourned, the world mourned. From paragraph 3, it becomes a hook has resulting tsunami.
Okay, that's the presentation from my group. More or less, we apologize. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.